Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Zoom and signing in. This puts you where backgrounds live. Click your profile, choose settings, then background and filters. That's the control panel. Make sure your camera is on and you have about 5-meter clear space. Good lighting helps the software separate you from the scene. Once done, you'll see default images and a plus button to add your own. This is the first actionable step to swap backgrounds right away. Now you add or adjust the background so it looks natural. Click the plus icon to upload an image or MP4 video. Zoom accepts common formats. If you have a green screen, check that box. This forces cleaner edges. Otherwise, leave it off and let Zoom use virtual background blending. Once you pick a file, frame your camera so your head and shoulders fit. Preview the result and tweak lighting or position until edges and movement look smooth. To finish, test the background in a live meeting or the video preview. This confirms performance. If you see flicker or artifacts, switch back to none and reapply the image or enable Touch Up My Appearance to smooth edges. Make sure your Zoom app is updated, since older versions lack optimizations. And if blending still fails, a physical green screen or lowering blur often fixes it. One key tip: update graphics drivers and Zoom.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.